So you want to grow hair using the same vegetable that makes you cry while cooking? Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy reviews that separate hair growth science from marketing fairy tales. The Natural Sant 2 Onion, Rosemary, and Biotin sets, plus Onion Vital Serum, promises to transform your scalp into a hair-producing powerhouse, using ingredients your grandmother probably has in her kitchen right now. This viral TikTok sensation claims to stimulate growth, strengthen hair, and stop hair loss with the magical trio of onion extract, rosemary, and biotin. Here's what caught my attention. The kit includes 2 shampoos, 2 treatments, and a serum, all packed with 16.9 ounces of onion-infused hope. The company claims their onion extract helps strengthen the scalp and promote natural hair growth, while rosemary supposedly improves circulation and biotin supports hair structure. But here's where my investigative radar starts beeping. Onion extract for hair growth has limited scientific backing. While onion juice contains sulfur compounds that theoretically could support hair protein structure, most studies use concentrated onion juice directly on the scalp, not diluted extract in shampoo form. The rosemary angle is more promising. Research actually shows rosemary oil can be as effective as minoxidil for hair growth when applied consistently. However, we're talking about concentrated rosemary oil, not whatever diluted amount exists in this shampoo. Biotin is the real wild card here. Unless you have a genuine biotin deficiency, which is extremely rare, adding more biotin won't magically sprout new hair. It's like adding premium gasoline to a car that runs perfectly fine on regular unleaded. What's genuinely impressive is that CNN Underscored recently reviewed this product hands-on, and Amazon reviewers praise the amazing scent and easy application. Multiple TikTok users report positive results after 3 months of use, though individual results vary wildly. The product is paraben-free and silicone-free, which appeals to the clean beauty crowd. The serum contains arginine, which can improve scalp circulation, adding some scientific credibility to the formula. The onion doesn't smell like actual onions, which is either disappointing or relieving depending on your perspective. The verdict? Natural Sant's kit isn't snake oil, but it's not a miracle either. The rosemary component has legitimate research backing, and user reviews suggest some people see genuine results. However, the onion and biotin claims rely more on wishful thinking than solid science. If you want to try it, manage expectations and give it at least 3 months, but don't expect Rapunzel-level transformation from kitchen vegetables.